Alright, so we're here with the Kingston College head coach, Raymond. Coach, on the losing side today, talk us through your team's performance. What happened?
We played well. We just gave St. George's College a couple of goals and we didn't take our many chances that we had and we ended up on the wrong side of the results.
Coach, one thing I know a lot of people would like to know, Kingston College got a penalty in the early stages of the game in the first half. A lot of people would have expected the star man, Dujan Richards, one of the best goal scorers in the Manning Cup, to kick that penalty. We didn't see him on it. What went into that decision? Talk us through.
When I find out from him, I'll certainly let you know.
So coach, does KC not have a designated penalty kicker?
Both of the gentlemen who you see went over the ball, they can take penalties. We have other persons who can take penalties. However, Mattis decided to go first, and as a coach, I have to stand by him.
Alright, coach. KC went in 2-0 down. You came out in the second half and they stepped on the throats of St. George's College. What would you have said to the boys at halftime to cause that, that sprung in their step at the beginning of the second half?
I did say things to them and
things that you can't repeat, coach.
I can repeat it to you, most definitely.
All right. Coach, tell us though, what can we expect from KC going forward? Because this would have put a damper in the spirits of the Kingston College supporters. Being unbeaten so far in the competition, winning all the games, and then coming and lose today. Give us a message for the Kingston College supporters.
Thank you very much to all the Kingston College supporters who came out today and those who couldn't make it. Standing by our motto, the brave may fall but never yield. We'll never yield. Thank you very much and we will be back.
Coach, are you confident that this will not affect the mood of the camp?
Very confident.
All right, coach. On the losing side today with Kingston College head coach Raymond.